Hey guys, Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video, you know what time it is. It's time for the end of the month recap for the month of November.
Nerf this!
November was a very challenging month for me in a lot of areas. At the end of October, I said November I was going to make you my bitch, but November made me its bitch. So I didn't have my best month. That's okay. That's why I'm here. I'm here to track and measure each month and to try and get better. And I'm just being upfront with you guys. November wasn't a super month for me. I'm okay with it. We're on to December, as Bill Belichick would say. So for those of you who don't know, the end of the month recap, I basically assess the prior month in 5 different categories and I rank myself 1 through 5. And those 5 categories are physically, financially, spiritually, mentally, and socially. So let's get into it. So first, let's start off with financially. Financially, I rank myself a 3. I didn't have my best month spending money. I made a good amount of money, but spending it, I went a little overboard, and I'm not in the hole per se, but I wouldn't rank myself a 4 or 5, so I guess I'm kind of in the middle of the road right there. So financially, we have to do a better job of saving next month, which is the month of December, which may be a little challenging because the holidays are coming around, but I got to do my best. Mentally, in the month of November, I had a less than average month. I had a lot of bad days, a lot of times where I went to Lily and I said, listen, I'm not having a bad day, I'm in a crap mood, and I kind of took it out on her a little bit. So for that, I do apologize, babe. Need to be more mentally strong in the month of December. I can't let outside circumstances really get to me, especially those in corporate America. In the month of December, I'm going to get into the holiday spirit and be cheerful as always. Moving on to spiritually. Spiritually, I'm going to give myself a 4 every day in the month of November, whether it was in the 5-minute journal or whether it was writing it down on my yellow notepad. I always said what I was grateful for. I always visualized my goals. Each and every morning, I wrote down what my life's going to look like. I visualized the dream for the channel and how big I want to grow it. So spiritually, you know, I was putting out those good vibes into the universe down on paper. So it was a good month, spiritually speaking. Physically, I had a good month. I went to the gym a lot, but as far as nutrition was concerned, that's where I have to kind of subtract a couple points because of Thanksgiving. And you know, the couple days leading up to Thanksgiving and the couple days after Thanksgiving, I kind of went over my mark in calories and I wasn't tracking any macros or anything like that. So physically, I marked myself a 3. Middle of the road, a little bit better than halfway, so physically I'm giving myself a 3. Moving on to the last category, socially. Socially, I did less than average. I really didn't see my friends a whole lot. That's okay. We're all busy. We all lead our own lives. We did do Friendsgiving, which was awesome, which is why I didn't rank it a 1. But I think that's the only time that I saw those guys this month. Lily and I have been trying to save. But however, we are trying to make date night a priority in the future. You know, try to do something together at least one night a week. So socially, we're going to have a better month in the month of December, and it'll be better than the 2 I gave myself this month. So to recap, I had an average of 3 this month, so right in the middle of the road. I want to be a 5 each and every month. However, that has not happened yet. So my goal for the month of December is to be a 5 in each and every category and finish the year super strong and keep that momentum rolling right into 2019. Let me know how you guys did in the comments below and let me know how your month of November went. I hope it went better than mine. And guys, do remember, in each and every video I try to make you the best version of you. If you are looking for someone to hold you accountable or to guide you in the right path to reach your goals, reach out to me on Instagram, send me a DM, shoot me an email. All my contact info is down below, or even reach out to me on the back end of the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I do release videos just like this every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so make sure you turn on the post notifications and you won't miss a thing. Appreciate you guys. I'll check you in the next one. Signing off.